Hello, my name is Christina and today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make a nice pair of chandelier earrings. I hope you like it. Stay tuned! So for this earring, you're gonna need some memory wire, jump rings, head pins, beads of your choice, ear hooks, and some chain, and of course your pliers. So let's start. I cut a half circle of the memory wire. Of course you need two, one for each earring. First, I will make the loop. I'm going to use 9 beads. And 9. Now I'm going to make the second loop. Now we're going to put the chain on. On, then the chain, and you close it like that. And the next jump ring for the other side. Close it. Like that. And the next you want to do is to put your ear hook on. Use the third jump ring. Open it. Then you have to put it in the middle of the chain, so you have to count. And mine is the 18th. That's my middle chain. Put it on, and then you put the ear hook on, and then you close it. Like that. But we're not finished yet. There are different methods of making the loops on the memory wire, and if you want to see how I make hoop earrings, you can watch a previous movie that I made. I will link it down below in the description. Now we're going to make the middle piece of the earring. This is a little bit too long, so I'm going to cut it a bit shorter, like that. And we're going to make a loop. Like that. And now we're going to make 3 more beads, but we're going to have loops at both ends. This one is really fighting me here. I hope you stay till the end of this video, because then I'm going to I'm going to tell you what video I'm going to do after this one. That's going to be fun. So now I've done 4 of these, the end bead and 3 that's going to be on top of this one. Now I'm going to put them together. Open the loop you made like that. You bend it open, put one on, and you close it. And you do the same with the rest of them. Now it looks like this. Now we're going to attach it to the earring here in the same loop as the ear hook over there. And it's small, so it's a bit difficult, but we're gonna make it. You open this, and it's tight, but it worked pretty fine. Close it. See, like this. Looks pretty fine to me. And you can always attach more beads at the end, and you can hang something underneath, like here. But since I'm using glass beads, these are getting pretty heavy, so that's why I'm not attaching more. But if you use acrylic beads or filigree beads, you can attach a lot more beads to them. So this was these earrings. I hope you like it. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe. And please hit that little notification bell if you want to get notified when I release the next video. And the next video is going to be some serious, big, mega big hoop earrings. So make sure that you watch it. Bye-bye.